Hi guys, this is Josh and you're watching Rakitera Mama. So for tonight, ang papakita ko sa inyo is yung unboxing ng Thieves Cleaning Set that I received as a gift from my mentors here in Young Living. So kung nasusundan nyo yung aking mga videos, you know that I really like getting into rackets, yung mga income generating activities. So isa sa mga nakasalubong kong opportunities is the Young Living business opportunity. Tonight I won't talk about the business side of Young Living. I will just show you yung laman ng gift sa akin. Kasi nakakatuwa, libre siya guys. Ito yung charon. So galing pa siya ng abroad. So even the shipping fee, libre. I did not pay a single cent for this gift. Bakit ako may gift? It's because I just kept sharing about the Young Living essential oils, yung products mismo, how they help me and my family, and also yung business opportunity, business side ng Young Living. So, tara guys, join me as I unbox yung aking napakagandang gift from my mentor. So, bago tayo mag-unbox guys, i-share ko na sa inyo para saan ba itong Thieves Cleaning Set na actually marami siyang gamit. Kasi tayo namang mga mommies, no, basic na yan yung paglilinis sa atin. But aside from that, we also have to make sure that the products we're using are safe, not just for our kids, but also for ourselves. Kasi hindi tayo pwede magkasakit guys. Pag tayo nagkasakit mga moms, mas malaking problema yon, mas pagod, magastos, etc. So, kailangan yung mga ginagamit natin, mga cleaning agents, they're safe for the whole family. And alam naman natin, karamihan dun sa mga nabibili over the counter or sa mga groceries, medyo maraming ingredients na hindi pwedeng ma-inhale or madikit sa balat. Kasi because of their chemical content. So, itong Thieves Cleaning Set, discover natin, share natin sa inyo. Ano ba yung nag-benefit niya, maliban dun sa panglinis nga siya, diba? So, also, saan ba siya pwedeng gamitin? So, marami yan, like sa banyo, sa tiles, sa toilet, sa kitchen sink, even sa mga kitchen appliances, sa microwave, sa ref, panlinis siya. And also, even in our laundry. Yan. Meron pa nga yan, yung pang dishwashing. So, share natin yan lahat sa inyo. Tapos mamaya tingnan natin, ano ba yung laman ng box? And ano ba yung gamit? Or saan ba natin magagamit yung mga contents ng ating Thieves Cleaning Set? for free. The whole set, I got it for free. So, ganun ka-generous yung community natin dito sa Young Living. Ang nakakatuwa doon, pati yung shipping libre po, galing siya ng US. So, kung binili ko siya, ang amount total would be, ayan, pero dahil gift nga siya, for my kasipagan, ayan, tsaka para incentive na rin kasi I kept sharing about YL to my family and friends. So, I got this brand new kit. Ang laki niya actually yung bucket. Nakakatawa. Pwede ko itong paglagyan na champagne. Kung champagne, kala mo umiinom. Ayan. And I have 5 new oils. Chun, chun, chun. Dito pa lang sa Thieves, sobrang sulit na. Tapos may purification pa ako. O, diba? And yung lemon, peppermint, ay, no, it's pine. O, diba? Bago din yan. Pine. Wala dito sa Philippines ng pine. So, nakakatawa. May pine dito. Ay, may pine na ako. Citrus Fresh, I always use this. And yung lemon, sobrang gamit na gamit ko tong lemon. Nasa bag ko yan. Right, so thank you for joining me tonight, guys. If you want to know more about YL Essential Oils, the products, and also the business opportunity, leave a comment down below or contact me via Facebook. It's Josh Ponsalan. Thank you for watching!